Device startup. Automatic inspection. Scanning one part. Take number one part. Automatic inspection. Scanning to part. Take number to part. Lens plasma cleaning. Dust inspection. Flip to loading surface. Shift to the next fixture. CCD pads position. PCB plug in bonding. Transfer to the next station. Automatic winding tin ring and perfect alignment. AA. Transfer to AA station. Fixture grabbing. A B. Transfer unfinished products from side A to side B. Parameter calibration. When calibrating to the optimal parameters, perform soldering. Solder inspection. After the detection is completed, T-key onto the conveyor plate. Transfer to the sorting station. Take the soldering product. Place to the load plate.